And there it is from TridentZ without any additional cost. Link in the description. Let's unbox it. Ah, satisfaction. That's most likely for the case. That's the device. Let me just put it aside. Let's see the accessories. And there it is, a charger. 67-watt charger. Similar to a Fold. And the power cable. That's the all accessories. Not all. We do have the case. Yes, and a SIM card tool, manual, and a case. There you go. The device itself is definitely a dust magnet and fingerprint magnet. Feels very nice in the hand. That logo is, you can feel it under my finger. On the side we do have antennas, power button and also fingerprint sensor, volume button and the correct height. On the top we do have VR blaster, 2 antennas, microphone, 4 antennas on the left, and at the bottom speaker, USB Type-C and SIM card tray, and of course a microphone. And here we have a case. Is it going to protect your screen? No, it won't. Is it going to protect the camera? Yes, it will. It has that hump, you see. It will protect the cameras and its front screen. So inside the screen is not protected, but the outside it is. Because usually you have your smartphone close. Usually. And this time this case is useful. I already customized it because the original wallpaper is a bit lame. Yeah, this is much better. Look at it. It wants to recognize my face. There it is. It recognized my face. Let me swipe it. And look how much real estate we have. This is all really, really nice. We do have a clock if you wanted to. You can timer, alarm, wallet, of course, for your payments. You can change it for any tab. You can add another tab if you wanted to. We have calendar, recording, weather, calculator, browsing. You don't have to open a smartphone. It has it all on the front. Of course, we can swipe it. Can we swipe it? Yeah, for the info and stuff. But let me open it. Bam! Look at that wallpaper. Really, really nice. And of course, Google News. Yes, let's allow it. Look how smooth that is. That's 120 Hertz. Smooth experience. 120. If you hit settings and if we go to display and brightness, of course we can go brighter if we wanted to. We can have a dark mode if you wanted to. Okay, let's put it back. Refresh rate, you can do fix 60, fix 120, default, which is automated, and app using high refresh rate. So you can choose the app for the high refreshment. That is super customization. Also, the outer screen could be customized. I choose this one. You can choose whatever you like. The original one is that gray one, which is not great. There's a lot of always on display, but this is just unboxing. Let's leave it for the full review. And my device, you see, this is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, not the S version, the flagship version, the most powerful version, and that is super cool. 256 GB of storage. I already made a couple of photos and videos, so 50 GB is already taken, but that's because of my photos and videos. Array camera, display resolution, 4780 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, and 50 megapixel camera. Exactly, that's what it is. We do have Gboard, so you can type with your language. Let's do a search. In the world of fantastic smartphones, there's one foldable smartphone. Wow, that is really, really good. Internet speed test, because we do have 2 5G SIM cards. And of course, the camera. Do we have any subject? There's a sponge, and we do have Pro mode, for your Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant. Look at the resolution, look at the quality of that image. That is amazing. We have movie mode, we have video for 4K 30 and 4K 24 for in HDR, but 4K 60 is without the HDR. There's also a Cinema Master, but not in 60 frames per second. Also front-facing camera in 4K 60 frames per second. That is amazing. In the photo department, very wide angle, great for photos, selfies and stuff. Tons of filters. Nice, really, really nice. Let me just correct myself because that's... All right, let's continue. Of course, we can shoot with a auto display. There you go, there you go. By the way, the auto display, look at the quality. Amazing. And there's also a video, there's also a photo, portrait, and pocket mirror if you wanted to. So you can zoom to see yourself in close-up. You can, of course, see the picture and stuff like that. If we swipe it, we're back to a main screen. All right. My t-shirt, it's not elegant. Anyway, there's a portrait mode, there's documents, and more and more. All right, let me show you some samples for photo and a video. And there'll be a link in the description for you to download original samples. And now, of course, I will make a separate video for the camera. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. We are in the 4K 60 from the main lens. And of course, we do have autofocus. Nice. How quick it is? Quick. The photo. 6x in the 60 frames per second. Vlogging style. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, you can also see yourself in the front screen. That's very convenient for vlogging. Nice. And the front-facing camera, also in 4K 60 frames per second. Is it going to overexpose the sky? A little bit. From out of the frame, it will compensate very, very quickly. It is very, very wide, but no autofocus available. Built-in Dolby Atmos speakers. Hey, really good. Classic. Alright. My question is, which one is better? Xiaomi or Moto? They both really, really nice. Beautiful screens. Phenomenal screens. And there will be a link in the description for both of them. I'm gonna compare cameras, processor power, and all kinds of stuff in the next video. Then see you next video. Like, subscribe,